Hey everyone, Danna and Robyn here with agelesswomenliving.com, and it's that time of year.
Yes, it is. We are past Halloween, thank goodness, all that Halloween candy, and we're moving into the holidays.
So we want to give you some healthy tips, and today's tip is all about the beverage. And we want to have fun, but we also want to watch our calories and our carbs, and we want to have something healthy. And we're not here to judge what you drink, but give you an alternative, something that we actually use on a regular basis and encourage our Ageless Women Diet clients to use because it has some great health benefits.
Yes, so what we have here is a Perrier with lime already in it. You could use any type of seltzer water and squeeze a lime or lemon in it. And we're going to add to it, it's called R.W. Knudsen Just Cranberry.
And it is just cranberry.
Cranberry. There is no sugar, no sweetener, no anything. One full serving, which is 8 ounces, which we would never drink that much at one time, is 40 calories.
And let me tell you, if you were just to take a sip of this, it is tart, super tart, but super rich in antioxidants and a fat emulsifier. It actually is great for your metabolism. But we've created a mocktail with the Perrier and the Knudsen's Just Cranberry and a little stevia, and it's delicious. Let's just open that little.
All you really need is just a splash of that. Just a splash.
So it's probably 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons,
and,
probably.
You know, you can maybe go up to 3 ounces if you want. And then, because it's so tart, and most of us like a little bit of sweetness, stevia is one of the best natural, non-caloric sweeteners. So many good tests.
Right. I mean, it has literally been proven that it does not affect an insulin response in your body.
In fact, it improves your blood sugar balance. So, you know, you're going to have to kind of figure out for yourself how sweet. But because this is so tart, I usually take in this liquid form about 1/3 of a dropper. And then we do a little stir. Why don't you taste test that for us, Robyn?
Oh, it's perfect. Really refreshing.
Some of you might want to pretend you're having champagne, and we're not here to judge if you like a little bit of wine or real champagne. You know, definitely enjoy yourself. But if you are at a party or all day long, you know, Thanksgiving dinner, one of the ways you can seriously save calories and just feel like you're part of the festivities is to have this little holiday mocktail. So cheers. Happy holidays to you all.